Hello, welcome here in this YouTube channel. Today our topic is that Mac.com automation process. So in this video, I will integrate Google Form to Google Sheet with the help of Mac.com. So let's go on main topic. So first of all, we need to create a Mac.com account. So open new tab and search Mac.com. Mac.com and search here. So when you search, so this is Mac.com integration website, where the purpose of this website integrate multiple tool at the same point, like this is working as a bridge. So here we need to create a first account, sign up and sign in. So if you are using this application first time, then you need to create your account. So already I am using this, so I have an account, so I am going to login process. So here in login process I need to just give him mail and password. So I have direct with the login access. So I am going to log in this. So before doing to automate Mac form and spreadsheet, first we need to set up the Google form and Google Sheet. Then we will be able to integrate with the successfully. So let's first, when you sign up or sign in your Mac.com account, so you will see this interface. So we need to build a scenario. Here the scenario, like similarly in Zapier we ask Zap, here scenarios process. So first we need to set up the Google form. So go here in Google app and search and select the Google form, like this Google form. So already I have built the form, but in your case you are using first time, so first you need to create a Google form. So similarly this I have create this Zapier test form. Already I have test this form with the help of Zapier tool. So, but in this case, in this video I am going to integrate this form with the help of Mac.com. So in this form I have like set up the name, email, phone number, address, comment section, and here the question like student, yes or no, and rating and last date. So I have set up this form, and second we need to build a Google Sheet. So open the Google Sheet. If you have not how to open Google Sheet, so go select here Google app and select the Google Sheet. Like here you will see a Google Sheet like this. So select this, then you need to create a new Google Sheet, and similarly this, and you need to put the custom row like name, email, something you need to. So this is Google Sheet already I have set up, like this name, email, phone number, address, comment, student, rating, so more. So already I have test these process with the help of Zapier. So already I have like name, email, phone number, like they are matching with the Google form. So now we need to integrate. So create a new scenario, and first you need to name, give him name about your scenarios. Like here we can Google form to Google Sheet with the help of Mac.com. So first we need to create a integration. Like in automation process have a two option, like first trigger, then action. First we need to build a trigger. So in trigger process we need to search the Google form. So search here Google form. So here you can get a Google form. So in this Google form here's the multiple option like search form, create a form, get a form, update a form, move from dash, watch response, so more. But in our case we select watch response, like trigger when a new response is received, like this is matching according to our need. So here first we need to uh, connect Google Form with mac.com. So already I have do that. So then you need to Google Form ID. So how you will find a Google Form ID? So I inform you. Just wait few seconds. So you need to a form ID. So open your form. So here you can see like you copy here like docs.google.com forms. So you can start copy the here from C to L here last, and you cannot not edit involved. So here you copy this and paste here. Then you ask the limit of form limit. Here I can select 101 2 according to need. In this case I am just select the one limit. Save this option. Then choose where to start from now on. Science since specific date or choose manually. So this is best selection. Save this. Then we need to run this form, or like we have built this scenario was saved perfect. So now we need to build a in action process. So here select add another module. So select here and search the Google Sheet like this. So in Google Sheet we need to select the action, add a row, update row, which one. So here's the multiple. So we need to create a row, clear rows with clear row, create a row, create a spreadsheet, copy, note, rename, live sheet. Here we can select create a row, create a row, create a spreadsheet, row. So add a row, add a new row to the bottom of the table. No, we need to search row advance. Here add a row, update row, bulk add row, bulk update, search row, clear a row, delete a row, update a cell, get the cell, not add a sheet, create a separate sheet, copy paste, ring a sheet, get ring values, line. So here not option, add a row, add a new row to the add a row, append a no, new row to a bottom of the table. No, here we need to select the row. When we select the row, update row, bulk add row, search rows, create a row, clear values from specific. Let's see, select here. So here we need to search by path, Google My Drive, spreadsheet ID, choose here values, spreadsheet ID. So here like Zapier form testing, we can select this. Then sheet name. So we have a sheet name one like Google. When we open the Google Sheet, so here you can see Zapier form testing and sheet name sheet one. We are mapping this process. So let's on, and table content header and name. Here we need to set map these values. Like in here name we need to select the name, here name. Then email, we need to select email here. Phone number, phone number here. Address here. And column E, which column? Column E, comment. We select need comment here. Student rating here. Then H, ignore these all. So save this. So we have built that successfully Google Form and Google Sheet row. So now we can test out like this is working or not. So let's check out in Google Form. So we need to refresh and fill up the one form, then we can check out like this is working or not. So go here